It's a very special weekend.
The world's longest running sci-fi show
Has got something to celebrate.
So, it's time to say...
Happy birthday, Doctor Who!
We're here in the two hearts of London's Docklands for the Doctor Who celebration. A small army of engineers, technicians and ood have been working behind the scenes to make sure the Doctor has a birthday party to remember.
And people have travelled from all over the known universe to be here.
So where have you come from today?
We come from Folkestone.
Okay, not too far away. And who are you wearing?
TARDIS.
Very nice. And you said it made a sound.
Yeah, it lights up and makes a noise.
Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Tom Baker, of course, the fourth Doctor.
How long have you had the outfit? Is this specially for now?
This is specially for now, but it's also my birthday tomorrow.
Oh,
so,
congratulations. Where have you come from to be here today?
We're from upstate New York. We're from a city called Schenectady.
And did it take you a long time to get here?
It took about 7 hours to get here.
That's commitment. And how did you get here? Via TARDIS or?
I wish.
Are you making music right now?
I am. There's music coming out of my pocket. It's bigger on the inside.
I'm really looking forward to actually seeing the 50th anniversary episode, and I'm very excited to see like a lot of the behind the scenes, like how they actually make it. I'm really looking forward to the special effects show.
And they're right to be excited. We snuck in behind the scenes to get a preview of what they're all going to be seeing. You all right? Mr. Smith, I need you. And here is where some of the most exciting panels will be happening. You'll be able to hear from Matt Smith and some of the other Doctors of what it's like to be the world's most recognisable time traveller. But don't worry, you won't miss out. We'll be bringing you the highlights of the celebration event right here on the official Doctor Who YouTube channel. We'll have exclusive behind-the-scenes action, as well as a special video with Matt Smith, Jenna Coleman and Stephen Moffat talking about the Day of the Doctor.
So try and remember to subscribe to be the first to see all our videos. If there's anything you really want to see here, or there's anything you want us to do, let us know in the comments below.
Or if you're going to be here in person, then come say hi. We'll be here all weekend.
Right, I think it's time for us to get off to that bubble universe for a nice cup of tea.
Do it.